Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will study the poem No Men Are Foreign, poet James Kirkup. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon is earth like this, in which we all shall lie. They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvests, by war's long winter starved. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read a labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love. In every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. The author intends to write this poem is universal brotherhood. According to him, all men in the universe are the same and equal. So, he is asking us to behave that nobody is strange and no country is foreign because all are alike. Though we all look different, we are all having same body. Similarly, the earth where we live and die is same. The sun, air and water are all same. We should live in peace which brings prosperity. War brings adversity, it means great suffering for long time. All hands are same and the line's entire hands are also same. The labor is also not different. We should remember that all are having same eyes with which we can sleep or awake. We can win all by love. In every way, life is common that all can recognize and understand. Let us remember whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we should dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arm against each other. It is the human earth that we defiled. Our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no countries strange. The poet says that we should remember that whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is our fault. We have no right to condemn others. At the same time, we have no right to look down upon anybody or discriminate against anybody on any grounds. The poet makes a strong plea against the evils of war. By taking up arms, men violate the sanctity of the earth, polluting it with not only dust and smoke but also hatred. Men must learn to develop a feeling of universal brotherhood. Men must learn that no man is stranger and no country is foreign. Thank you.